Hello, everyone. I am Tanya Cunningham with Tanya Homes Group, and welcome to my Realtor Hat series. Today, we're going to be speaking with Carlos Prieto of Prieto Law Group. Now, do you know what a first-party attorney is? Well, if you don't, and you're a homeowner, this one's for you. So please, sit back, enjoy, listen to, get something of value, because Carlos is going to relate to you why it's important for you to know what a first-party attorney does so that you can reach out to one when it's needed. So, looking forward to this, and I hope you are too. Let's talk to Carlos. Hi, Carlos. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Hi, Tanya. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. It's really great to have you here for us to have this conversation. I really wanted to talk to you and really bring some information to our audience out there because you have a really important job. You are a first-party attorney. And I would love to have you explain to the audience what a first-party attorney is and what you do.
Well, Tanya, first of all, thank you. I'm very glad to be here.
My pleasure.
First-party attorney, basically what we do when you talk about a first-party claim is that you are suing your own insurance company. That insurance company that you contracted with to protect you, to give you something under a contract in case an event takes place, as opposed as a third-party claim. A third-party claim is when you sue somebody else or their own insurance company for something that that person did. Okay. So basically, a first-party claim is whenever you sue your own insurance company because they did something wrong.
Okay. And it's not to say that insurance companies do something wrong all the time, but sometimes you have to step in, and that's where it's crucial to have you, right?
Correct. Yes. Some insurance companies do the right thing. However, there are times that the insurance companies, for whatever reason, don't do the right thing under the contract. And remember, these claims, first-party claims, always have to do with a contract, an agreement between the person and the insurance company, or even it can be a business and the insurance company.
Got it. Okay. So this is important. So when would it be the most crucial time, or when is it the right time for a homeowner, for example, to contact you to help them?
It's crucial, I would say, from the onset of the loss, whenever that event took place. So let's say, for example, that a hurricane comes through and damages your house, either your windows or your roofing. It's really important for you to contact an attorney right away to explain to you your rights and also your responsibilities under that insurance contract. Because remember, under that agreement, under that contract, which we all call the policy of insurance, there are duties that you have as a homeowner, as the person buying under that contract, that you must do, as well as the insurance company. There are certain things that they must do as well, and not only by the contract, but also by the Florida statute that governs that document, that contract.
Wow. So that means that it, from the onset of the whatever happens, reach out to you so that they actually understand what their rights are and what they can do, right?
Exactly. And I think that you hit the nail right on the head. It's about understanding, because most of us, whenever we get into that agreement and we are bound under that insurance policy, most of us do not read that policy. And we do not understand that, yes, we do have some rights, but we also have some responsibilities. And that's very critical for the insured, the homeowner, to understand.
Yeah, some people don't like all that paperwork and all of that language. So that's where you come in.
Absolutely. That's what I do day in and day out. So I do understand most people do not want to read, or they don't have the time to read those several pages of policy language.
Well, I know that you have done so much for so many people. And what I would love for you to do is share with us a story of when someone had a claim, they were denied a claim perhaps, and then
Mhm.
you came in and you helped them really overcome that. Like it went from bad for them to amazing. Do you have any stories like that that you can share?
Tanya, you asked me about a story, and I have so many stories from
Yeah.
years of practice that come to mind. Um, the one story that I can share with you, uh, and it's one that highlights the commonplace of the industry. So back in 2017, as we all know, in South Florida, we were affected by Hurricane Irma.
Mm-hmm.
Sadly, one of my homeowners basically lost most of their roof because of Hurricane Irma. The insurance company came in, they did what they called a proper inspection, and lo and behold, what eventually became my client received a denial letter. That denial
Mm.
letter, among many things, said that it was that the loss of water coming in through the roof was caused by wear and tear. However, when I stepped in, we engaged the service of our roofer, also an engineer, and our experts. They both confirmed separately that the loss was caused because of the high winds created by Hurricane Irma.
Mm-hmm.
When we presented this evidence to the insurer, excuse me, uh, they gave us somewhat of a pushback, but eventually, after we filed the lawsuit and we used the powers that we are granted through the court system, we were able to get our homeowner that full replacement of that roof, which
Wow.
they needed because this is something that was covered under the policy. The interesting thing in this story is that the insurance company never engaged the services of a roofer or an engineer. So, in our perspective, they
Really?
did an improper inspection.
Wow, that's amazing. And this was as a result of a hurricane, and we're in South Florida. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. And you would think that because the roof was in good conditions before, and but for that weather event, Hurricane Irma, the roof started leaking. The insurance company would say, you know what? Wait, yes, this is a proper claim. No, this is actually they did the 180. This was a 100% denial for our homeowner. So our homeowner was very happy after our services that they were able to afford to put a new roof in their home because at the end of the day, our home is our castle and we
Yeah,
want to protect our castle. And that's one of the reasons
absolutely.
why we have homeowners insurance.
Yeah, this is not some luxury. I mean, you need a roof. and
Exactly.
and they got denied, and then you came in, turned it around, and they got a brand new roof, which is what they deserved inside of that. And that's what you means by sometimes the insurance companies don't do the right thing, but a lot of the times they do, and that's why you're needed.
Exactly. Whenever the insurance companies do the right thing, I'm not needed whatsoever. But whenever the insurance company does not do the right thing and underpays or wrongfully denies that claim, that's when I step in for the homeowner and I ensure that the homeowner is able to get those policy benefits that they engage the insurance company for.
Got it. Well, thank you so much for sharing this. This is really great information. So it's not, it definitely becomes a party sometimes for the homeowner once you come in with the first party attorney, Carlos Prieto. Thanks for explaining what that actually means. That's really important for us to know. So Carlos, we're going to wrap up now, but I would love for you to tell us what's the best way for someone to reach you directly? Is it to call
Well,
you or, yeah, go ahead.
yes, Tanya, thank you for asking me. Two ways that my clients or prospective clients can reach me. My email, it's cprieto at prietolawgroup.com, and that's spelled P as in Paul, R-I-E-T as in Tom O.
Mhm.
And all of my clients, they have my cell number, believe it or not, so they can reach me directly, either calling me or via text at 954-817-0009.
Awesome. And we're going to put that information all here on top of what you just said. And thank you so much. I have to tell the audience this right now. Carlos did an amazing job for my mom. So I know I can speak, I'm just telling you, it was like she was denied. And this is someone who's been paying her insurance for years and years and years and years and years and years and years, hadn't done a claim, and then she was denied. I reached out to Carlos. Carlos took care of it in such a professional way, and my mom was thrilled. So I can speak firsthand about what Carlos is capable of. And the clients that I've referred to you, Carlos, wow, I bumped into one last night at an event, and she said to the person right beside me, Tanya saved my life by introducing me to Carlos. So I just want everybody to know that right now, how amazing you are. Thank you for coming and sitting with me. I know how busy your day is. I really appreciate you. I appreciate all you do. And now everybody out there gets to know who to reach out to. Our first party attorney, Carlos Prieto. Thank you so much, Carlos.
Tanya, thank you very much. And yes, it was a pleasure working with your mom to get that recovery that she actually deserved, for sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And you take care.
Okay, Tanya. Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome. Now you know what a first party attorney does. That was so great having that conversation with Carlos. And Carlos is someone that you can reach with ease because he also gave us his contact information. And you can reach him by cell phone at 954-817-0009. That's 954-817-0009. If you or someone you know needs help because their home has been damaged and their claim has been denied, have them reach out to Carlos. And of course, if you were buying or selling a home or had a friend or family member who was, send them to Tanya because we wear the hat to bring you the facts.